Hi again, groovy guys and gals. It's Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM 8-track out of a 78 Corvette. This comes from my friends at Harwood's Auto, and they have requested the modern internal conversion. I would say FM conversion, but the radio is already AM-FM, so it's a modern internal conversion, which is going to give you a heck of a lot more output power because the customer will know this radio. The GM 2700 will automatically come back with a lot more output power whether we use the original connectors or install a new harness. In this case, the customer said stay with the original connectors, and because his car has an ungrounded speaker system, it would be the same as installing a new harness for the greatly increased output power. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I receive in my area, so we can demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions without getting nailed for stealing somebody's music. So let's go ahead and turn it up. Got a AM radio here.
Southwest of Window Rock on the Navajo Nation, now 87%.
Okay, now we're going to need our output level meters. We're going to activate and adjust our virtual front rear fader and the left right balance. It's all in the tone control. We start with the tone control in the center position. To activate the front rear fader, we give it 2 quick turns to the right, returning it to the center position each time. To adjust left right balance, same procedure, except to activate it, we turn it twice to the left each time. So let's try that. Okay, virtual front rear fader.
Time that the National Weather Service declared
fader adjust.
Okay.
heat day,
Front,
and we will
rear,
activate our units
front,
to open
rear,
on those days.
The Army's Jeanette Aird says the cooling center
Fader set.
Okay, left right balance.
other Arizona cities. Parts of Yavapai County
Balance adjust.
could get up to
Left.
115.
Right.
I'm John Newlands. This is
Left.
Arizona News.
Right. Okay,
We're
center.
live here outside the Perez
Balance set.
Okay, let's move over to FM, and I have all 5 stations preset to stations in my area for a quick test. So, okay, now we're on FM.
Johnson. He
Platforms, Microsoft, and President Trump said in a Truth Social post.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
Choo-choo train, a chugging down take you to the blue. Rain, they're holding you. You
Alrighty, hit the eject button. Eject the tape.
The S&P
Radio comes
500
back. Okay, let's make sure the dial light comes on and off in response to my, and you can see that it does. Okay, so that takes care of that. Everything's ready to go. I'm ready to probably have breakfast. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And from the home page of that website, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that's all in the work order, and it'll answer those questions as you're filling it out. And then that way, if you want to call me, it's just for a quick couple minutes, to get to know me, trust me, stuff like that. So please observe that. Please do that research before calling me, because I don't get any work done on the phone, guys. I got to be on the bench where the work gets done. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thanks to my friends at Harwood's Auto for your business all the way from Florida. That's almost all the way across the country. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you next time.